Hello everyone and welcome to a nice little look at the greatest website that you will ever see ever. This is Yacht or Nyacht.com. It's a very simple website. Basically, there's a podcast hosted by these four guys you can see here, and they rank songs and tell you whether or not they are yacht rock or not yacht rock or yacht rock. Anyway, there are three different classifications as you can see. There are essentials. Those are the single greatest yacht rock songs that have ever been. There is yacht rock, which is just, basic yacht rock, it counts as yacht rock, but it's not really like an essential. And then there's yacht rock. That's everything else. That is anything that isn't yacht rock. Basically, the cutoff point between what is yacht or yacht is 50. If you score above a 50, you are yacht rock. If you score below it, you are yacht rock. Right? Now let me show you something. For example, like Bobby Caldwell, my favorite artist of all time. You look at his songs, he is pretty firmly in the position of being a yacht rock artist, as you can see. None of his songs are below 50. All of them are breaking 60 by a decent amount. Then there's somebody like Kenny Loggins. While he does have some under 50, he's still overall still considered a yacht rock artist because of how high some of his others are. He has some essentials. Then you look at, say, the Doobie Brothers. They're another, lots of essentials. Michael McDonald. You got a lot of essentials from him too. Usually he scores ahead of 50%. Point I'm trying to make here is it's very nice to see this. It's very easy to understand whether or not you're a fan of yacht rock or not a fan. Let me just show you some of the yacht rock songs down here. Lots of different stuff. I think I saw Gino Vanelli there. Wonder which song that one is for. Anyway, you go down, all the way down, all the way down. You can see every single song. If you're wondering what the least yacht rock song is, it is Peaceful Easy Feeling by the Eagles. And if you're wondering where Margaritaville is, it is also dead last. It is not yacht rock, despite what many would honestly believe. And if you're wondering for the essentials, number one is What a Fool Believes by the Doobie Brothers. Anyway, that's just going to be the end of this. I hope you'll enjoy it, and goodbye.